Welcome back to Voice Vista. There are motorhomes you see on the road, and then there are the ones that make the entire highway. Slow down just to take a second look. The Jayco Seneca Super C motorhome is one of those machines, a towering expression of power wrapped in grace, where craftsmanship meets wanderlust in a symphony of chrome, leather, and quiet confidence. This isn't simply an RV built to move from place to place. It's a home built to move hearts. The first thing you notice is the presence. The Seneca doesn't arrive quietly. It arrives, standing bold and upright. It commands attention with its Freightliner chassis and sculpted proportions. The front fascia carries an unmistakable sense of strength, the kind that tells you this motorhome is ready for the long haul, from coastlines to mountain passes. Chrome accents trace its lines like jewelry on polished steel, while the deep grille breathes confidence, framing the bold Jayco emblem like a signature of adventure. Walk around it, and you start to see the details unfold. The LED headlamps cut sharp lines against the smooth composite body. The aerodynamic edges flow into wide flared wheel arches, grounding the design in power and purpose. On its side, long tinted windows stretch seamlessly into the bodywork, reflecting skies and trees like living art. Under sunlight, the paint glows, Jayco's signature, full body finish layered in metallic, tones that shift subtly with the day's light. There's a sense of timeless luxury here, not loud, not overstated, just composed elegance that feels as capable as it looks. And then you open the door, the sound of the hydraulic step easing out, the subtle sigh of the seal releasing. It's a small ritual of anticipation before you step inside what feels less like a vehicle and more like a private suite. Inside, the Jayco Seneca reveals its real magic. The first sensation is space, expansive, light, and beautifully balanced. Natural daylight pours in through panoramic windows, bouncing off high-gloss cabinetry and brushed nickel fixtures. The air smells faintly of wood polish and leather. Plush captain's chairs invite you forward, upholstered in supple ultra leather that whispers quality with every touch. Every inch of the interior seems to have been designed with thoughtfulness, the kind that understands that true luxury lies in simplicity and precision. The floors are residential-grade vinyl plank, durable, elegant, and cool beneath your feet. The living area flows seamlessly into the kitchen, where polished solid surface countertops catch the light like marble under a museum spotlight. The cabinetry, handcrafted hardwood with soft close hinges, glides open to reveal deep storage, smartly organized for long journeys. In the lounge, a large convertible sofa faces a 50-inch LED smart TV framed by ambient lighting. It's cinematic, cozy, and purposeful. To one side, the dinette offers plush booth seating and a panoramic window view, the kind of breakfast spot that makes sunrise coffee feel like an event. The kitchen itself is a showcase of refined practicality. Stainless steel residential refrigerator, recessed induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a deep farmhouse sink in brushed metal. Even the backsplash, with its geometric tile inlay, adds a note of boutique design. It feels less like an RV galley and more like a small Manhattan apartment, but one that moves wherever your heart leads. Walk toward the rear, and the space transitions softly into the master suite. The hallway glows with indirect lighting, leading to a bedroom that breathes calm sophistication. A king-size bed rests beneath a crown of soft illumination, flanked by built-in wardrobes and hidden storage. The materials are tactile, textured fabrics, muted tones, and dark wood contrasts. Beside the bed, a whisper-quiet ceiling fan hums softly, At the back, the bathroom continues the sense of understated indulgence. Glass shower enclosure, porcelain toilet, and a backlit mirror over a stone-look vanity. The sound of water against tile echoes like a spa, clean, private, serene. But beauty alone isn't what defines the Seneca. It's the engineering underneath. The confidence it gives you when the open road stretches endlessly ahead. Built on the Freightliner S2 RV chassis, it carries the heart of a true truck, a 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine paired with an Allison transmission. The numbers are impressive. 360 horsepower, 800 pound-feet of torque. But the way it delivers that power is what makes it feel extraordinary. You don't drive this motorhome, you glide it, like a captain guiding a vessel through calm seas. On the highway, the ride is astonishingly smooth. The air suspension isolates every vibration, every imperfection, leaving you cocooned in stillness. The cabin acoustics are tuned to silence. Just the faint hum of the diesel and the gentle rush of wind. The steering is responsive, balanced. Despite its size, the Seneca feels poised and manageable. Its confidence you can feel in your fingertips. A sense of command that makes long distance travel not just comfortable, but pleasurable. Even the cockpit feels designed for both utility and serenity. Dual screens provide navigation, diagnostics, and entertainment at a glance. The panoramic windshield offers a theater of the road, mountains, cities, skies, all unfolding before you in crisp, cinematic detail. There's a moment, mid-journey, when you forget you're piloting a motorhome. It feels more like flying low across the landscape. Then, when you finally park for the night, the Seneca transforms once again. Extend the power slides, and the living space doubles. Soft ambient lighting fades in. The hum of the generator settles into a calm rhythm. You pour a drink, sink into the lounge sofa, and glance outside, where the lights of the highway are now distant memories. Inside, it's peace, comfort, and that quiet realization that you've brought your entire world with you. For all this grandeur, the Jayco Seneca Super C still holds a certain grounded charm. It's not indulgence for indulgence's sake. It's built for travelers who crave both adventure and refinement. Starting around $350,000. It positions itself firmly in the premium class, yet still within reach of those seeking an upgrade from conventional, Class C or luxury fifth-wheel models. Every dollar shows in the craftsmanship, in the engineering, in the feeling of security and beauty woven through every detail. And that's the Jayco promise, not just a motorhome, but a lifestyle of quiet sophistication, where every road becomes an experience and every mile tells a story. When the lights dim and the engine settles into silence, the Seneca reminds you that the best journeys aren't measured in distance, but in the moments of stillness you carry with you. And that's our look at the Jayco Seneca Super C motorhome, a fusion of strength, design, and serenity. Built for those who believe. Luxury and adventure can share the same road. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Voice Vista for more immersive stories of the world's most extraordinary machines. Until next time, keep your wheels steady and your horizons open.